Hello, welcome to the video. Today we'll be preparing a vegan angel food cake. In the kitchen, I'm joined with my girlfriend, referenced in the previous video as the current girlfriend. I'd like to take the opportunity to clarify she is the most beautiful maiden. She's going to be helping us prepare this meal. How did we meet? We met in culinary school.
The ingredients that you'll need are flour, sugar, salt, vanilla, lemon, baking powder, cornstarch, aquafaba, which, if you don't already know, is chickpea water. You will also need fruit.
The first step is to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius for the international audience, and 436 Kelvin for the scientific community. Strain the chickpeas to get 3/4 cup of aquafaba and pour it into the mixing bowl. Cut a lemon and squeeze a teaspoon of lemon juice into the mixing bowl.
Beat the aquafaba and lemon juice until it's stiff.
Add half a cup of sugar to the mixing bowl. It's looking nice and stiff.
Now it's time to mix the dry ingredients. It's 1 cup of flour. And here's the other half cup. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
A pinch of salt.
Half a cup of sugar.
Pulverize some dried strawberries. Add the strawberry powder to the dry mix. Mix the dry ingredients together.
Some vanilla to taste.
Add a half cup of water. Add a little bit more water.
Start by folding in 1/3 of the foam to the rest of the batter. Once
you've mixed about 1/3 of the foam into the batter, it's time to fold the foam in. Not mix, fold. Pour the batter into a pan. It doesn't need to be a tube pan. Place it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. See you soon. Caution, hot. Grab the cake. Flip it over. Let it cool down. Well, the cake is out of the oven. I was letting it cool. Some of it has come out. We just need to give this side a little bit of help getting onto the rack. And I know what you're thinking. No, that doesn't look so great. But once you cut this, put it on a plate, put some fruit on the side, no one's gonna notice. How to prepare the slice. If you'd like, you can add this cream. Take some fruit and put it on top of the cake. Don't be afraid to put a lot of fruit. And there you have it, ready to serve. Tell us what you think. Don't be afraid to say it's fire.
It's fire. There really isn't anything like this.
No cake?